Good day. My name is Ricky Prado. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to tell you how I'm able to produce from a Kratky method hydroponics. First, the preparation. You have to select for the seeds that you will plant. So for me, I use Insa-Sudden for my lettuce, and for other plants, I use bamboo seeds. So I have here okra, whole sitaw, cucumber, hot pepper, bell pepper, and water controlled bulbs. After you have selected the seeds, then you have to have this Hydro. This is, I'm not endorsing this product, but this is the one I'm using. Hydro A and Hydro B. And I also add this Hydro Iron. Then you need to have also the pH down and the pH up, because very important is the pH for the plant. This will dictate the absorption of nutrients to the plants. So you need to have also this pH meter to measure the pH of the water, and this total dissolved solid meter and electricity conductivity meter. So make sure that your solution is within the range. And you need to have this cup, measuring cup, so to have an actual measurement of nutrients. Next is, you have to have this cup. It's a 6 ounce cup, and I prepared make some holes. You can also use this cup, styrotype. This is an 8 ounce coffee cup. Then you need this electric welding for cutting the holes. Also, I use this hand drill with the circular saw to create holes on the container that I'm using. And you need also the styro box, it's available, and this coco peat, sterilized coco peat, used to germinate the seeds. And you need also this tray for planting. You need container and another bigger container, this one for the storage of the nutrients. So that's all you need to plant using a Kratky method hydroponic. So this is how we should prepare for the nutrients for plants. So first you have to store this tap water at least 1 day for using Hydro, just to make sure that chlorine has already evaporated. This is a 15 liters container. So based on or Nutri-Hydro standard computation, if 1 liter is 2 ml for A and 2 ml for B, then since this is 15 liters, we will use 30 ml of A. First, before we start, I'll check first the pH of the stock water. So, according to the pH meter, the reading is 7.1. So, it's alkaline. 7 is the neutral. It's above the requirement of our pH. But before we will add our pH down, we have to check first after the solution is already diluted. So, it's a 30 ml. So, here you will see 30 ml. I'll try to mix already. And using my power steering, I have to mix well solution water before I put solution B. You can interchange either B first and followed by A, or A first and followed by A. As long as you mix well the solution with the water. Next, I'll put another 30 ml of B. So 30 ml of B. Thank you. Actually, for some, they only use these 2 hydronutrients, but for me, I also add one more, which is 3 hydro iron. It's also good for the plants. It's complete with manganese, zinc, copper, and iron, boron, and molybdenite. This one needed for the plants also. So, same, I use 30 ml. Then, make it sure before you use the solution, at least 10 minutes properly mix. So sometimes the lower portion of water is not mixed well. After that, you have to check the pH and the total dissolved solids or the conductivity of our solution. So, for our pH, after the solution, the pH goes down to 6.49. So, 6.49 is the maximum range for our leafy plants. So, we have to make sure that it's in the average from 5.5 to 6.5. To do that, we need to put pH down. At least we will try 5 ml first, not too much. So 5 ml. Then we have to stir. Our new pH. Now 6.0. 6.0 is the average. So this solution is really okay for the pH, but we have to check for the total dissolved solid. So the total dissolved solids, so you can see it's only 500, 631. So for the seeds, that's okay. But if already grown up, we need from 900 to 900 to 1,100 total dissolved solids. We'll try to check for the conductivity. The conductivity is 1,532 microsecond per centimeter. So the range is from 0.8 to 2. So this solution is within the range. So we can use now these solutions for our Kratky method hydroponic. That's all for this episode. I hope you like it and learn from it. And you can now start your own urban gardening. Watch out for my next episode, cucumber planting.